Hello everyone and welcome back. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can share your Instagram profile. So let's get started. First of all, you'll need to open your Instagram account and you'll be redirected to the home page. Over here you have to type on your profile icon at the bottom right and you'll be redirected to your profile. And now what you have to do is click on share profile over here. And now this is the QR code. You can either open Instagram on your friend's phone and open scanner over there and then bring their camera in front of your phone and they can scan this code and then they'll be redirected to your profile in order to send you a follow request. Or you can even click on share profile and send this profile through WhatsApp, Instagram, Viber, or any other social media application. You can copy the link and paste it into the chat of anyone who you want to send it to, and you can either download the QR code and send it as a message, and then your friend can download it and scan. So that is basically how you can share your profile on Instagram. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.